Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied about unit number 12, electricity. Today, I will continue the same unit. In the previous class, you have studied about electric circuit, schematic diagram of electric circuit, definition of electric current, formula and SI unit of electric current, definition of 1 ampere, instrument used to measure electric current, and what type of connection is there for the ammeter in a circuit. One more electric charge you had studied. See now, there is a problem number 1. I will read the problem. A current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. If certain factors are given, I will underline with color chalk. See that 0.5 ampere means A means ampere. Ampere is the SI unit of electric current. Symbol of electric current I, it means electric current I equals to 0.5 ampere. Also 10 minutes are given. 10 minutes are given means time t given. Time t equals to 10 minutes, but minutes are not SI unit of time. We have to convert 10 minutes to seconds because second is the SI unit of time t. See now how to convert that. 10 minutes are given. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds into how many minutes are given here? 10 minutes. Minutes in numerator and denominator cancel with each other. Remaining one 60 second into 10. Only second will remain. See now 10 into 60, that becomes what? Answer as 600 seconds. Formula to find out electric current I equals to Q by T. I is given. I equals to 0.5 ampere. I equals to 0.5 ampere. This one equals to Q by Q is not given. 600 seconds. Take it into left side. 0.5 into 600. This one gives answer as 300. Means Q equals to 300. SI unit of Q means electric charge. That is the Coulomb C. It means the flow of charges in a circuit Q equals to 300 Coulomb. Next one, electric potential difference. It is the work done to move a unit charge. Unit charge means specific number of charge, 1 Coulomb or any specific number. Electric potential difference means it is the work done to move a unit charge from one point to the other. To move electric charge from one point to the other in a conductor or circuit, work is needed. How much work is done? That work done is called as what? Electric potential difference. The formula to find out electric potential difference, V equals to W by Q. V means potential difference, W means work done, Q means electric charge. Then V is the potential difference because the SI unit of electric potential difference is volt. Volt means the symbol becomes V. Then we have to define the SI unit of electric potential difference, that is 1 volt. 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. When 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other. See now, 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points, means it is the work done to move a unit charge or specific number of charges from one point to the other. I will read the definition once again. It is the means 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other. According to this definition, we can write, I will write here, 1V equals to 1J divided by 1C. 1V means this is the potential difference, PD means potential difference, because volt is the, V means volt, it is the SI unit of potential difference. J means joule, joule is the SI unit of work done. C means coulomb, coulomb is the SI unit of electric charge. It means when 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charge from one point to the other, then the potential difference is said to be 1 volt. Next one, see this one. The instrument used to measure potential difference or electric potential difference is voltmeter. Already in the previous class we have studied that the instrument used to measure electric current is ammeter, but in the potential difference to measure, there is an instrument, name of that instrument is voltmeter. Ammeter is connected in series in a circuit, but voltmeter is connected always in parallel in a circuit.